Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Sarah, and today I want to tell you about different daily life situations that I experience. These are simple, everyday moments. I hope you will enjoy learning English with me. Every morning, I wake up early. The first thing I do is open my curtains. I love to see the soft sunlight enter my room. It feels like a fresh start to a new day. I take a deep breath and feel happy. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool, clean water. It helps me wake up completely. Then, I brush my teeth. A clean start makes me feel fresh and ready for the day ahead. I look in the mirror and smile. It is good to feel prepared. Next, it is time for breakfast. Before I leave the house, I eat a simple breakfast. Eating in the morning is very important. I usually have some bread, a piece of cheese, and a warm cup of tea. Sometimes I have yogurt with fruit. It is a small meal, but it is enough. Breakfast gives me energy for the whole morning. When I finish my breakfast, I get my bag and leave my home. Then I walk to the bus stop. I wait at the bus stop with a few other people. Soon, the bus arrives. It stops gently at the curb. I get on the bus and find a seat. I like to sit by the window. From there, I can watch the city wake up. I see people walking, cars driving, and shops opening. It is interesting to see the world outside as I travel. The ride is peaceful, and I enjoy looking at everything. At school, I meet my classmates. We say hello and talk for a few minutes before our lessons begin. I like my classmates. They are friendly. I listen to the teacher very carefully. The teacher explains new things to us. I take notes in my notebook to help me remember. I try to learn something new each day. Even understanding small things helps me grow slowly. Learning is a journey, and every step is important. After school, I sometimes stop at the supermarket on my way home. I walk through the aisles and look for what I need. I buy simple things for my family and me. For example, I might buy some fresh apples, a loaf of bread, or a carton of yogurt. I always check the prices before I put something in my shopping basket. I choose what I need and what is a good value. It is smart to be careful with money. When I return home, I feel a little tired from the day. So, I rest for a short time. I put my bag away and sit on the sofa in the living room. It feels good to relax. Other times, I watch a quiet video on my tablet. It is nice to have some peaceful time to myself. Rest helps me feel calm and refreshed after a long day. In the evening, my family and I eat dinner together. We sit around the table and eat the food my mother has cooked. It is always delicious. We talk, we laugh, and we share our stories from the day. I tell them about my lessons at school, and they tell me about their day at work. Listening to each other is important. Before I go to sleep, I prepare for tomorrow. I also pack my school bag so it is ready. This helps my morning be less busy. I also write a small to-do list in my notebook. I write down the important things I need to do the next day. Then it is time to sleep. I get into my bed, relax my body, and breathe deeply. I close my eyes and think about the good parts of my day. Soon, I fall asleep. Daily life is full of small moments. These simple moments help us learn and grow. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it helps you with your English. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Follow Mastery Method English for more easy English lessons.